Do you often get stuck replaying past moments, wishing you could change them? Are regrets keeping you from living fully in the present? Today, we're diving into the powerful philosophy of Stoicism to help you transform regret into motivation. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 simple strategies that can change how you view mistakes, losses, and missed opportunities. These strategies will help you move forward with confidence. You don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Are you tired of feeling burdened by regrets that seem to have a tight grip on your peace of mind? Picture this. You're enjoying a sunny day, but suddenly a memory pops up, a moment from the past that you wish you could undo. It's like a storm cloud casting a shadow on your happiness. But what if instead of letting these regrets rain on your parade, you could turn them into stepping stones for your personal growth? What if every missed opportunity, every loss, and every mistake became a source of strength rather than despair? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. This is the essence of Stoicism, a philosophy that has the power to transform your perspective on life's inevitable setbacks. And the best part, you can start seeing immediate results in just 3 simple steps. So, let us take a deep dive into these 3 strategies that can change your relationship with regret and pave the way for a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Don't forget to stick around until the end, because I've got some bonus tips that will accelerate your journey towards becoming a Stoic superstar. Get ready to turn your regrets into allies that propel you forward on your path to success. Regret no more. Embracing Stoicism. 3 simple strategies to move forward. Number 1, prepare for the future. You know that sinking feeling when something unexpected happens and you're caught off guard? Whether it's a surprise project at work or an unexpected family commitment, life has a knack for throwing curveballs that leave us scrambling. But here's the twist. What if instead of cursing life's unpredictability, you could channel your inner superhero and prepare for just about anything? That's where premeditatio malorum comes into play, a Latin phrase that breaks down to mean anticipating evils or contemplating evils. Now, hold on a second. It might sound like a downer, but trust me, it's a game changer. At its core, premeditation involves taking some time to think about potential problems before they arise. It's like having your own personal fortune teller, except instead of predicting your love life, it helps you navigate the ups and downs of everyday challenges. The idea isn't to dwell on negativity, but to proactively plan for various outcomes. By anticipating potential issues, you can come up with strategies and solutions that minimize their impact. It's all about turning potential threats into opportunities to showcase your resilience and adaptability. And guess what? Stoicism encourages you to practice this regularly. By making it a habit to think ahead, you'll find yourself better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. So embrace the power of premeditation and become the proactive, prepared individual you're meant to be. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of mental health, you are the CEO of your own well-being. Number 2, cultivate gratitude. 8. You know those times when you feel like everything is going wrong? Losses, setbacks, missed opportunities, they can make you feel like you're stuck in a rut. But what if instead of wallowing in self-pity, you chose to focus on the silver linings? Enter the antidote to regret, gratitude. When you practice gratitude, you're shifting your perspective from what you don't have to what you do. Think of it as an inner sunshine vitamin that brightens even the gloomiest of days. But how exactly does it work? Well, imagine you've just received some bad news. Instead of immediately jumping into a pity party, you take a moment to appreciate the positive aspects of your situation. Perhaps you're grateful for the supportive friends and family around you, or maybe you reflect on your past achievements, boosting your confidence and reminding yourself of your capabilities. It's all about finding reasons to be thankful even in the face of adversity. And guess what? Practicing gratitude regularly can significantly impact your well-being. It can reduce stress, improve sleep, and even boost your immune system. Now that's what I call a feel-good habit. So make gratitude your secret weapon against regret. By embracing it, you'll not only transform your mindset, but also enhance various aspects of your life. Remember, life is a gift to be grateful for every moment, every breath, every experience. As the great Epicurus once said, gratitude is the beginning of joy. So let gratitude be thy guide, and watch as it illuminates your path to happiness. Number 3, reflect on the past. You know those moments when you're feeling a bit low and suddenly memories from your past pop up? Those times when you made mistakes or missed out on opportunities? It's like your brain's way of giving you a reality check. But what if instead of seeing these moments as burdens, you viewed them as valuable lessons? That's where the magic of reflection comes into play. Reflection, my friend, is like hitting the rewind button on your life. It's about taking the time to look back on your experiences, both the highs and lows, and really understanding what shaped you into the person you are today. Think of it as your personal growth coach. As you reflect on your past, you gain clarity on your values, beliefs, and aspirations. It's like putting together a puzzle where each piece represents a different aspect of your journey. And when you see the bigger picture, you realize how every experience, including those you might want to forget, contributed to your growth. You start to understand the reasons behind your decisions, the motivations that drove you, and the challenges that tested your resilience. Reflection also allows you to celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Did you ace a test? Did you help someone in need? Did you simply wake up and appreciate another day? All of these moments deserve recognition. By acknowledging your accomplishments, you boost your self-esteem and reinforce positive behaviors. It's like giving yourself a pat on the back and saying, "Hey, you did that and you're awesome for it." But remember, reflection isn't just about feeling good. It's about learning and growing. When you reflect on your mistakes or missed opportunities, you ask yourself questions like, what went wrong? What could I have done differently? How can I use this experience to grow? By analyzing your missteps, you uncover valuable insights that can guide you toward making better decisions in the future. It's like turning mistakes into stepping stones on your path to success. So embrace the power of reflection and watch as it transforms your perspective on life, helping you create a future filled with wisdom, growth, and resilience. There you have it. 3 simple strategies from Stoicism that can help you transform your regrets into stepping stones for personal growth. By preparing for the future, cultivating gratitude, and reflecting on the past, you can rewrite your narrative and embrace a more fulfilling life. But our journey doesn't end here. We've got 2 more incredible videos lined up that will take your self-improvement game to the next level. First up, we have the art of moving on. In this video, we delve into the power of acceptance and forgiveness, in letting go of the past and freeing yourself from the burden of regrets. Next, we explore the fascinating topic of how trauma affects your relationships. Understanding the impact of past traumas can be a game changer in healing and forming healthier connections. Don't miss out. Click on the links to continue your self-discovery journey, and remember, you are the author of your own story. Keep writing and rewriting it until you create a masterpiece that you can be proud of. Until next time, keep growing, keep thriving, and embrace the power within you to shape your own destiny.